Eto na, CrypTito here again, back with another video. Bitcoin update, where I think it will go 13K. Bakit? Stay tuned. Alright, before we start, again, this is not a financial advice. Trade at your own risk, do your own research, and this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Alright, so pag-usapan natin ngayon yung higher time frame since we're looking at the mid or long-term status ni Bitcoin. So, looking at the volume, pababa yung selling pressure, okay? That's bullish. RSI is oversold na. That's also bullish. So, galing tayo dito sa rising wedge pattern na to. Hindi niya na-support yan. Possible midterm, umakyat tayo hanggang dito and then bumaba ulit. Now, looking at weekly time frame, okay, zoom out tayo ngayon. Nabanggit ko na to dati dun sa previous TAs ko. This is a double top. Nandito pa lang tayo. I'm kinda expecting na to fulfill this double top eh. Medyo pa rising wedge pa lang tayo dati. Okay? I'm calling it as a double top na. May mga tumawa pa nga na dito siya double top. Obviously, it's a double tap na. And then kung maalala nyo yung isa kong TA, this one. In that TA, I'm expecting it to go down and then up dito around 31, 32, and then down again. So, exactly what is happening right now. Again, divergence natin is strong, bearish divergence yan. Then, punta naman tayo sa monthly. Right? Same scenario, strong bearish divergence dito. Okay, here and here. So yan, sa pababa yan, even yung volume. Same scenario, yung chart pattern natin is double top, then this is the neckline. Okay, yung neckline, nabutas niya yan. Actually, pag tinignan natin sa weekly time frame, yan. So, looking at this one, this line chart, bumutas na tayo dito sa neckline ng double top. Okay? Bumutas, nag-retest, and heading down na to confirm, for a confirmation. Okay? Possible, mag-bounce yan dito, 25K. Balik tayo sa monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, looking at the volume, okay, red pa rin. This is kind of bullish, okay? Again, since pababa yung selling pressure. Nasa oversold na rin tayo sa RSI. So, may possibility na we're at the bottom and may possibility na bumaba pa. Looking at volume profile, okay, medyo ampaw yung volume dito eh. So, I think eto. So, pwede niyang i-respect itong EMA, I think this is EMA 200. Ano ba yung green? EMA 200. Yan. Pwede niyang i-respect yan. Mag-bounce siya from here. Okay? And then let's see how the market will react by then. There, so around 25K, pwede tayo mag-bounce. Now, let's go back to monthly time frame. Pwedeng 25K mag-bounce tayo or dito sa 50. So, possible na around here. 23 to 25-ish. Okay, that's the next strong support natin. Especially ito, may another confirmation tayo from volume profile. So, medyo mataas yung volume dito. And then, sasakto siya dito sa may bandang EMA 50. Again, pag umabot tayo sa 24, 23, 24, 25 level, by then, let's see how the market will react or how the whales will play it. Okay? Now, here is the thing. So, you know MicroStrategy, right? Michael Saylor. Okay, their Bitcoin holding average price is around 30,000. And may nabasa akong article, it's from him then. It's from him then na kapag bumaba ang Bitcoin price under 21,000, they will get a margin call and mapipilitan silang magbenta ng Bitcoin, which is a bad thing for Bitcoin. Because if you don't know Michael Saylor, he is the least person or the last person that I think will sell Bitcoin. Pinaka-Bitcoin maxi to si Michael Saylor eh. So, for him or for them to sell their Bitcoin, it will be bad for the market. It might cause another sell-off. Now, after 24, 25, as you can see, ang next strong support na dyan or mataas ang buying pressure based on volume profile is around 20,000. Bakit 20,000? Another factor, bakit 20,000? Ito nasabi ko na to before. 20,000 is the previous all-time high nung 2017 bull run. Okay? So, isa siyang strong support. Technically, 20 is lower than 21K. Saan na yung susunod? First, based on volume profile, andito yung POC. Okay, pinamataas na volume from September last year or last 2020 hanggang present. Okay? Alright, so now 20,000 yan, di ba? But again, looking at the MicroStrategy scenario, 20,000 is lower than 21. Okay? So probably hindi tayo ma-hold na tong 20,000 na to. Okay? And after that, ang next strong support na is here, around 15. Or here, 13,000 level. Which is the all-time high naman nung 2019 bull run. Okay? Bago tayo bumaba ng todo-todo. Or possibly rin, here, may order block dito. Right? Around 12,000 something. Okay? And again, nandito rin yung POC. So, around 10 to 13 if hindi tayo ma-hold around 20. So, there. That's where I think Bitcoin will go. But again, it still depends with the whales. Okay? Alam niyo naman, if they want to pump it, it will pump. Ngayon, wala eh. Anong naiisip nyong bullish news ang lalabas para mapaangat yung Bitcoin? We have a lot of FUD ngayon with the inflation rate, with the economy. Yung war ng Ukraine at Russia is still at play. War ng China sa Taiwan is still at play. So, those events can be a catalyst for a further crash sa market. Right? So again, this is just the possibilities. Nabanggit ko rin yung mga bullish indicators. But again, for me, it's bearish. There you go. That's my Bitcoin update for now. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and if you want to get updated sa mga future updates ko, technical analysis, reviews, and tutorials, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click mo na rin yung bell notifications icon para updated ka sa mga future updates ko. That's it for now. See you in the next video.